All right, welcome back, guys, to the solo ad traffic mastery tracking like a ninja. I guess mini series, if you will. And where we left off yesterday was setting up the funnel. Okay, so now the next step, guys, is to set up the email tracking side of it, which is pretty much what you're here for. And again, we're just going to try to keep this series really quick and simple. This way you can get traffic running as soon as possible and start seeing the data for yourself. And then you can just kind of learn more about this software because there's so much you can do with it, so many things you can track with it. It's these videos would be way too long if I covered all that. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay. So as mentioned before, any resources that I'm using in these videos is going to be found in the description in the YouTube, or you can just leave a comment there and let me know if you don't see something or if you have questions, and I'll expand on that in another video or figure out a way to get that answered for you. And I appreciate any love you guys can give. That'll let me know this video was useful, but also to help other people who are using solo ads as a main traffic source for their affiliate marketing, but not having any results, okay? Because this is going to help anybody. So with that being said, so we were on funnel setup. If you remember, we added our opt-in page and bridge page, and then we added the HTML script on our website. And now what we need to do is just literally just click over here on email tracking setup, and we select the autoresponder. If you remember, I said we're going to use get response. We're going to come down here. I'll just kind of scroll here and you can kind of see what we have on now. And if you don't see the autoresponder that you're using, let me know. We can see if we can get it in here. But there's a lot of popular ones here, right? So we're going to just choose get response. And sometimes what I found, like if you don't see these links pop up when you select your autoresponder, select a different one and then come back to it, and that'll pull up these because you need to be able to see these. So now what this is wanting us to do is to we need to put a pixel in here for so that we can tell Dojo whenever an email open occurs, right? Because then it's going to put that in our data. So how many emails do you want to track? That's going to be up to you guys. So for now, let's just, I'm going to put in a simple number of 5 here, and I'm going to hit get pixels, right? And you're going to see it adds put pixel and HTML code of email 1, put this pixel and HTML code of email number 2, and so forth, right? So that means that Dojo, anytime anybody clicks or opens email 1, it's going to tell you inside Dojo email 2. So you can see every email you want to track, guys, needs to have one of these Dojo HTML codes, okay? And the same thing with broadcast, guys. So this is for a follow-up sequence here, right? So an autoresponder, for example, and you would use this pixel anytime you send a broadcast email out or a newsletter. I think that's what get response calls it. So if you see here, the email name is going to be the date, so 2/8/23. You would just click get pixel, and then you would put this pixel inside of your broadcast email, okay? Broadcast or newsletters are usually emails that go out daily, right? And follow-up sequence or autoresponders are things that go out automatically, okay? So there's a difference here. So we're just going to focus right now on these codes right here for our autoresponder, right? So what we're going to do here is go head over to our autoresponder, which is get response. You would click on autoresponders, right? And we click create autoresponder. And I'm just going to say, I don't know, some of you guys may not have this, so I'm just going to go with the new email creator. And we're going to just title it test for GR. You got to make sure that you select the linked list, right? So whichever list you're going to have these leads coming into, we'll just put this one right here. Actually, we'll do the incoming. And this is going to go out on day 0, same time as signed up. You would choose your from and reply. Subject line, again, we're just going to do test for GR. That's going to be whatever your autoresponder is. We're going to go to design message. And you can go to any one of these. I have existing messages, so normally I would just hit that right there, right? And then I would just choose one of the templates, which my templates aren't anything crazy. They're just they're just plain. So we'll just click in here, and you can see I have some type in here, and I'm just going to leave it in here for the sake of time here. But if this was your email follow-up number 1, obviously, most likely it's going to be giving away a lead magnet of some sort, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to click out of the email. So anywhere out of here, you can see here it kind of puts the box around. If I click on here, it puts that box around. I'm going to click outside. I think you can see the yellow ring here. Just click there, and you can see how it brings up these basic blocks, right? So all I'm going to do is grab the custom HTML block and slide it onto my email. And right here, you can see it says insert your HTML code. We're going to go back to Dojo, and we're going to copy the code for email 1. We're going to go back to get response, and I'm going to hit Control V, and you can see here it puts in what we need here, right? So we don't have to do anything else here, and you can see this number 1. That means that email 1 is now going to be tracked. So all we're going to do is hit next, and then we're going to save it. But before we do that, just so I'm not having you jump back and forth, I am going to skip a step that I didn't think that I was going to do it here, but I think it's best to do it here. So let's go back to our funnel area here, right? And if we want to go back anything, we can do that, right? So all we're going to do here, guys, is go back to funnel setup. We're just going to click back, and we're going to go scroll down here, and we're going to we're going to put your affiliate or own offers. Okay, so you have to click in here, and you can see here we got a new option here where we can add links. Okay, so we're going to say test for GR offer 1, and you would put your affiliate link here. So for me, I'm going to come, actually I already know, let's see, HTTPS learn. This is one of the offers I promote, HTTP/join all in one. And we're going to leave this here the same, and we're just going to scroll down here and set save funnel. Okay, so you can see I only have one offer here, but if you have multiple offers or you're testing offers, all you have to do is click add link and then keep adding. Sorry about that. Let me mute this real quick here. Mute. So basically you can add as many as you want, but again, we're just keeping things simple here right now. What we're doing here, you can just hit add link and just add as many as you wish. So what we're going to do from there is we're going to go back to email tracking setup. We're going to click on get response. Get response here. This is for open, so we'll click back in here and put 5 again and hit click get pixels. And but here in the email, you can see I have a link here, right? I want to know, and you want to know, when this link is clicked, right? Because if we don't, first of all, this is the kind of important information you need, right? We want to know when somebody clicks this, but not only that, if somebody buys our offer by clicking on this link, we want to know that, right? That's how we're going to even the playing field when we buy solo ads. So what we want to do here is go back to Dojo, and we want to click on email links. Okay, just click here on email links, and you can see right here it says link to redirect to. So we're going to choose here. Now you can see here, this is our offer here, right? But we can pick an offer from a rotator, or we can pick an offer from a rotator and make that offer sticky. So it's kind of like Click Magic. If you guys know Click Magic, we can rotate offers with this one. So if we have 3 offers in there where I put my first offer, it'll rotate between that. Or we can say, hey, rotate these offers, but if lead one clicks 2 times, we want them to see the same offer. That's what it means by sticky. Okay, if you choose this one, if lead number one clicks 2 times, he's going to see 2 different offers. If you use this link, the visitor is going to see different offers, but if they click again, they're going to see the same offer. Or we can literally just choose the offer that we set there, which is what we'll do. We'll just click there, and you can see here it grabs my link. So I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to put that in. I'm going to select that here and go up to the link and add that right here, and then update, and boom. So what did we do here, guys, to track emails? What we did was we put a custom HTML box here, right? And we added our first link, email number one, and we put that in a custom HTML. You can see it right here. And then we want to also track link clicks. So we need this link has to be a dojo link, meaning we have to go to email links and select our offer and copy that here. And then we went back here and we put that link inside here. As you can see here, that's the link. So now this email is going to be tracked. So anybody who opens or clicks and buys from this email is going to show up just like all this information here, right? It's going to show how many % open, how many of it clicked, and if you got any sales, right? And that's what we're after. That's why we're doing this. So from there, all we need to do is just click next and scroll down here and just click save and publish, right? I'm just going to hit save because I'm just doing this as a tutorial. And then let's exit. So what we can do is we can go back, right? We'll just do one more here. I'll just show you guys real quick. No thanks. We'll use the older one. We're going to do GR test 2. We're going to put this on day 1. Make sure you select the right ones. We did incoming here, same time as signed up. I think I showed, yeah, autoresponder. We're going to hit create new email. Message name GR test 2. And whatever your autoresponder is. Right, I mean, all this, maybe all this is already set up for you, so you'll just have to go in and edit here. Okay, I'm going to use my templates again, and let's see here if we can do it this way. I should have probably started from the beginning where I showed you, but you guys can probably know how to get back there at this point already. So with that being said, you know what? If I do it this way, I know I'm going to confuse somebody. So we're going to back out, guys, and go to autoresponders, and I'm going to click up here, and it should say create autoresponder. No, take me to the new, and GR test, and then we're going to put day 1, subject, are you there? And then design message. I'm going to choose the same message here, and let's see, we're running out of time. Come on. We're going to add a custom HTML box. We're going to go back here, opens, choose number 2, and we're going to add that in here, Control V, and then we need the link, right? Anywhere you have a link, you need to go back here, go to email links, and choose your offer. And we're going to copy that, go back to the autoresponder, put that link there, Control V, save, and then we're going to hit next and save it, guys. So now email 1 and email 2 are set up, okay? So this, guys, is how you're going to be able to track your solo ad traffic like a ninja, guys. It's going to give you so much information as you see here, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's the email portion of this setup. It's very simple, laid out. So come back to the next video and we're going to start talking traffic and how to use the traffic links, and then you guys can go on and buy traffic. So appreciate your time here. Give me a thumbs up if this video was useful, and any resources are below.